There's quite a lot of questions today that I want you guys to answer in the comment section. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today it is a big day because I'm finally going to reveal to you the new wheels that I will have on my Skyline for the 2023 season. That's right, I really like to change it up and actually have different set of wheels, especially for this car because this car I'm planning on having for a long time. So I think it's a good thing to change it up a bit to have make the car look different, because wheels actually do make a huge difference on how the car look. So in 2021 I had the wheels that I bought the car with. That was some like T37's replica wheels, you can call it. Those were replicas, yes, I know. And I always thought those looked kind of small. Those were 18-inch wheels, but then I bought some other looking 18-inch wheels which I thought looked bigger. That was the wheels I had for the 2022 season, which you see right here. And now it's 2023, so it's time to change it up. This time I feel like I've hit the sweet spot because I have the wheels on right now, and let me tell you, I am really happy with how they look. But there is actually a little story here to be told before I can show you the wheels, because these wheels have really made me work for it. So I found out that I didn't fit. I had to have a centering for the wheels. I ordered that and I got those on, and then I realized, damn, my studs is not long enough. Then I ordered longer studs. So before I reveal the wheels, I will actually take you back to the night where I actually test fitted them for the first time. I was really nervous that it would not work out, but like, spoiler alert, it worked out. But nevertheless, let's go back to that night and we will continue the story from there. Now we are ready to actually reveal the new wheels I have bought for the 2023 season. And like I said, these are some dream wheels of mine that I've had. I wanted as soon as I was like a little kid. I have posters that I had in my bedroom of these wheels. So they are kind of like early 2000 looking wheels, but I think they are really dope. And you can take a look at these. These are Volk Racing GTC wheels in actually 19, not 18. These are 9.5-inch wide with offset 24, and in the front we have offset 24 with 8.5 in the front, also 19-inch wheels. So I think these will look pretty good with the golden look right here, right next to the Bayside Blue Skyline. So I'm really excited to get these wheels on the car.
One eternity later.
Okay, rotors on, calipers on. We got the extended studs right here. Let's see if it finally works. I am a little bit nervous when we lower the car down because these are offset 24, and I see right now that they are seriously flush with the wheel arch right here. So I didn't think that they were supposed to be that, but because my other wheels, but they are offset 18 also. So since these have like 6 millimeters more in, I would assume these would be better fitments or a little bit more, not that aggressive. But now I'm actually a little bit nervous, to be honest. Okay, are we ready? It's late at night.
We are really ready.
Yes, it's late at night, day.
I don't even see you because it's so dark.
Yes, it's late at night, day number 2. A friend of mine who has the Skyline said it will take 1 hour. This will not take 1 hour. Okay, moment of truth. Ready?
Ja, jeg er klar.
Oh, please let it tuck. That's pretty flush.
That's pretty legal.
Yeah, but it's legal.
Well,
we will have to actually continue this video tomorrow so I can show you how it
I will not join you guys on this video.
No, I will have to film.
I know you will miss me.
Okay, so here we are. Now the Skyline has installed my new Volk Racing GTC 19-inch wheels. And let me tell you, I am super happy. I'm gonna be honest and say, like, that first night when I installed them, I was like, do I really like it? But I must say, I really love the wheels when, like, they're not on a car. I have been having these inside, even my living room, seriously, all winter. So I was really eager to get them on the car. But now they're really grown on me, and I feel like they are looking really, really good. I mean, it's a Bayside Blue R34, so yes, the car is flashy. So it deserves some flashy wheels as well, of course. I don't feel like 19-inch wheels are too big for the car either. I think it's actually kind of good because, I mean, let's say from here to here, that's probably 18-inch or 17-inch or something like that. I don't even know. But because it has this lip, it makes the wheel look smaller. That's why I like to go with 19-inch, because when I had 18, I felt like it was a little bit too, like, small for the car with that lip. Personally, I love these wheels. I think they look really, really good on the car. It fits well, and I mean, the fitment also is pretty good. And like I said, to me, they have a really special place in my heart, because while growing up, I had posters in my bedroom with these wheels on different cars and Skylines. So this is for me like full circle. It's such a life goal and a dream come true. So it's, yeah, they were kind of expensive, but it's worth it. And I know it will raise the value of the car. Not that I'm going to sell it anyways, but I mean, I don't feel like I'm wasting money. But let's talk fitment. These are 9.5 offset 24, and they are actually pretty flush with the wheel arch on the back. So I mean, that's good. Nothing to worry about. You see right here? Pretty good. Okay, so that's a pass. I mean, rear wheels, they're good. We come to the front here. I'm not really sure, because you see right here, it's gone. We have to go there to see it. So it's a little bit more on the inside. So I don't know if like a 5mm or 10mm spacer would be enough. My other wheels were way more aggressive with like a little bit outside on the wheel arch actually. So I don't know. But then again, a buddy of mine pointed out that yes, having them longer out will make way more rock chips right here when driving, because the rocks and stones and stuff like that will hit over here, and I want to be careful with the car. So I don't know, is this fitment good enough, or is it like whack? You see right here, the wheel's gone. You see, yeah, I don't know. It's not terrible, I'm not going to say that, but I want this car to be perfect. This is legal as it is right now, so I don't know, maybe I can just drive with it. Go down in the comment section below and tell me, do you think I need spacers in the front? Okay, second issue. I do it right now. I have the studs like that have been on the car for ages, and these are blue. So is that cool? I've actually cleaned in my garage and found a brand new set of black studs. So I think maybe it's too much color, having colors on the studs. So I think black maybe will look more clean. I will swap to black right here, and then we can see. You see this? It's not sticking as much out. So I mean, maybe it doesn't like take up that much space. Maybe it's better. Okay, what do we think? Was it cooler with blue? They don't take as much focus when they're black, and it also matches that Volk Racing logo right there. I think it's better. Yeah, I think it's a winner. Looks more clean than blue ones right there. That looks kind of, does it look kind of tacky? I don't know. Black ones are better. Let's swap them all. Okay, now we got the black lug nuts instead of the blue ones. I think it looks a lot better, matches the Volk Racing logo. It doesn't take as much attention. Yeah, I like it. And the next thing is actually calipers and caliper colors. As you can see right now, the caliper color right there, so that's a GTR color, and I feel like those were pretty cool earlier when I had the gray wheels, but now that I have gold wheels. But what should I get? Should I have red calipers? Should I have black calipers with white or red on the Nissan logo right there? That's a possibility. Bayside blue-ish kind of color on the whole thing, and maybe black on the Nissan. What do you think? Would that be cool with blue calipers on blue car, or is that just, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm kind of thinking that Bayside Blue would be cool. Black with red would also be cool. I don't know. I really want to do something about this year, because back here it is not painted at all. So it's the OEM. You see right there? That's the OEM colors. I really want to paint those as well, so it will match and it will look a little bit better. Also the front end. I felt for a while now that the front end here looks kind of, looks like it's missing something in the center right here in the grill. So I have found out my Nismo badge that I had on the car earlier and installed it. But you probably can't see it on camera because I have painted it black. So there we go. So there is the Nismo logo now, and I think that looks pretty cool. But the question is, should I have a red O, which it is on the Nismo logo, or should I paint the whole thing white with a red O on it? What do you think? Because now it kind of disappears into the grill. I just wanted to mount it with black just to see. I mean, you can see it, but I maybe want to have just that red detail. I think that would be pretty cool. And also a red detail there and a red detail on the calipers. I want something more than just that. Not to mention that I will say I'm actually quite happy with the small plate. I think that looks, oh, it's actually a little bit crooked right now. But yeah, I think the little small plate, it looks way better than the bigger one. What do we think about ride height though? Is it too high in the back? Could it be lower in the back? And what about the front? Could it be lower? Maybe not in the front, it's good, but maybe it could be a little bit lower in the back actually. I'm also a little bit curious because now it's a 235/35 19-inch tire on here, but I'm considering to buy maybe a 235/40 19, so it will like fill the gap more. But then again, I am a little bit worried about these original fenders I have right here, because it's very close, very close. I think it's a good looking tire right now and it looks good. I mean, look from this angle, it's so good. The car is looking great, and with the wide rear wheels, look at it, super good. No, I like this. I have actually already had a lot of really cool trips with the car, and I think this car is really coming along now. Still surreal feeling to actually own R34 Skyline. Yeah, I love it. I love it. So I am really happy with how the wheels turned out. I feel like this was a success, even though I spent way too much time changing those studs. It was all worth it because now it looks really good. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you do like the new wheels of the 2023 season. And I will see you guys later. Goodbye.